Hey, so not everybody can come tomorrow, which I'm seeing between Molly. George has some things to do. So this is the easiest way. And yes, my shirt is tucked in and it's for Ryan. So next cycle, we're gonna do wave sets on Olympic. So cleans, jerks, and snatches, which will all be on different days. Clean and jerk are gonna get separated up. They're gonna be wave sets, but they're gonna be different than they were last time. It'll go 3-2-1, 3-2-1, and it'll be something like 72, 80, 87, and then it'll come back to 75, 82, 90, and it'll be 6 sets. It's like 12 total reps, I think. And the idea is that we shouldn't fail at any point. The last set still allows us to have some heavy intensity, but we still get that volume aspect that we had from the last cycle in wave sets. So that's the Olympic side, and it's the easy side. Why I wanted to meet or just relay to you is the strength side. So the strength side, what we're gonna do is kind of a pre-fatigue tempo deal. I'm gonna demonstrate it a little bit, and so that I can clarify some questions. Then if you have some more questions, just shoot me a text. So what we're going to do is we're gonna warm up to, I think the first week is 80%. So we're just gonna take back squat for our example. We're gonna warm up to 80%, should take 5 to 6 minutes, whatever Ryan denotes on it. And once we get to 80%, then we're gonna start our pre-fatigue into our working sets. So we're gonna do 4 sets. One set is going to be, the first week, we're going to do 8 reps of tempo goblet squats. And what I mean by that, and I've got a 35, our strongest of strong athletes, you don't need much on this, okay? And this scales all the way down to if it's your very beginner athletes, they can do body weight, they can do ring assisted, but the idea is that you're going to count for them, and it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna take that all the way to 8 reps. As soon as they're done, they're immediately gonna go to the bar, the back squat bar, and they're gonna hit a double at 80%. So we get a couple things out of this. One, we get a whole lot of volume and time under tension, which is what we want going into TFE. And 2, we learn how to lift moderately heavy weights under fatigue. The first part shouldn't be to the point where it's murdering somebody, 6, 7, and 8 reps, but it should be something to where when they get done, they're kind of shaking their legs out and having to get under the bar. This program only works as quick and as well as if somebody gets to the bar as fast as possible. If somebody finishes, goes and gets water, then goes to the bar, and we lose what we want. Like, we want them feeling fatigued. We want them feeling a lot of blood in their legs so they can knock this out. We're gonna goblet squat with back squat. And Ryan, you may have to correct me, but I believe it's goblet squat with back squat. We're gonna split squat, 4 reps each side with front squat. So we're gonna hold a goblet in front, and we're still going to split squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch legs each rep. Don't have them go 4 and 4 because we want kind of an even time under tension fatigue straight into front squat. Bench press is going to be push-ups. And with our female population and our beginner population that can't do push-ups, put them on rings, put them on boxes, put them in a situation where they can do the 4 seconds down, 4 seconds up, no matter what. That should not be a question of whether or not they can complete the task at 4 seconds. All we're looking for is completion of task and developing some fatigue in the legs, but not failure. That's what we're gonna do for strength lifts. Deadlifts are gonna be, I'm blanking a little bit on deadlifts. Ryan will probably have to send it of exactly what it is. I think it may be plate good mornings where we're holding a plate on the chest. Hopefully this makes sense. This takes a whole lot of, you're gonna have to be kind of locked into your class and say, hey, stay on my count. You can't just say, hey, watch the clock when it says 4. You're gonna have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we wanna get this in the window. If you're coaching a class that has like 18 or 20 people, then what you need to do, and Ryan will go over it more, partner A will start their pre-fatigue they'll get through their pre-fatigue and go straight to the bar. There shouldn't be any coaching when they get to the bar, so you then will tell partner B, pick up your pre-fatigue, and you'll count partner B through pre-fatigue. We shouldn't need a spot on the weights because it's not that heavy. So you should somewhat just have to keep an eye on your strength population, the guys that are under the bar, the girls that are under the bar, but you're counting down the pre-fatigue population. And then they'll immediately move into it. The rest, I think, is 2 minutes. We need to stick to that pretty good because we should be pretty tired in between each one. And it's going to be 4 sets. If for some reason we get behind, and I think Ryan would tell you this, 3 sets is sufficient, but we want to get 4 sets. So went a little longer than 5 minutes. Sorry, guys. Shoot me a text or shoot Ryan a text if you have a question, but I just felt like this needed to get out there, and I know everybody can't do things on Saturdays. So have a great day.